Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook lentil soup with pork ribs. It's very delicious and very healthy. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. And don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I upload my video, you always updated. Thank you to all silent viewers. Thank you so much, friends, and also subscriber. I love you all and God bless. Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook lentil soup with pork ribs. Here, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then 3 cloves of garlic, and also 1/4 onion, so you have to stir, and when the onions and garlic is half cooked, you have to add tomato juice. This is from my garden. Subscribe, like, please share, and leave comment, and also the pork ribs. You have to stir it well and simmer it. And also 2 tablespoons of beef powder, and we call beef stocks. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. And also you have to boil the lentil beans. It's very healthy, this kind of beans. It's like a mung beans, but this is a little bit tiny flat. We call lentils. So you have to simmer the meat. So now, as you can see, I love this kind of soup, guys. You have to try it. It's very delicious and so now I add lemongrass or tanglad, fresh from my garden also. So now it's boiling, and the beef is soup, so I need to add all of this, and then you have to simmer it. So the beans is already soft, so you have to boil together with the meat. So this is a vegetable fresh from my garden. It's like spinach, and also kangkong, we call kangkong, and saluyot, and sweet potato leaves. So you have to boil it, making sure the meat is soft. So when the meat is soft, then you can ready to put the vegetables or whatever you kind. If you have no spinach, you can add also what do you call that? Chinese or bok choy, Chinese pichay or bok choy. So as you can see, guys, it looks very delicious already and healthy. And again, subscribe, likes, share, and leave comment. And also this pork rinds. So I have pork rinds. So you have to try it, guys. It's very simple recipe and healthy, and also super yummy. So now our lentil soup with pork ribs is almost, and I add a little bit of half salt and also black pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper and half salt to taste. That was black pepper. And also nor seasoning, maybe 1 tablespoon. So our soup lentil pork ribs is ready to serve. So now we have to transfer inside the bowl. So we need to try it. Yummy, yummy. Now guys, vegetable is already cooked, and also the lentil is really good. So when I eat this, I sweat a lot, guys. Very nice and healthy. So now we have to ready to transfer our inside the bowl. So yummy. So you have to try, guys. Normally this is Asian cooking. And thank you so much to all my silent viewers and to all support my channel. Thank you so much for always coming my channel. Thank you. God bless you all. And see you my next video. Bye. God bless.